Guys, welcome back to ABS Tech channel, and this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and complete my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Please complete my 2k subscriber. As you can see here, the live price prediction of last 1 hour 2 hour result is a dollar change as positive 1.66%, and the high price in the last 2 hour result is $1.13 is the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies in the last 2 hours. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going now of Cardano cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. As you can see here, sorry, it's a news of last 1 hour, not now it's a news of last 1 hour you're watching now. Sorry, so it's the change in the last 1 hour result of Cardano cryptocurrencies as dollar positive 1.02%, and the high price in the last 1 hour is $1.13. As you can see now on the graph of the Cardano cryptocurrency, so at the it's the last of this 1 hour they are fast downing, they are jumping, their dumping time starts now. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. I said sell it and be safe from loss. What's your opinion? To sell it or buy it, please share your opinion in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies.